Hey everyone, Mark here again, here to show you another great pre-owned vehicle. This is a 2012 Hyundai Elantra with the GL automatic package. Let's do a quick walk around this vehicle before I show you some of the interior features and the pièce de résistance. You gotta check out the mileage on this car. We've gone ahead and put some alloy wheels on this. You can see there's brand new brakes, brand new tires. Lots of value there when it comes out of our mechanical department. We don't skip a beat. Check it out again, like I said. There's you go, brand new tires. You can still see the dots there. Brand new brakes all around. So the car's got brand new brakes, brand new tires. It's a 2012. Wait till you check out the mileage. It's gonna blow your mind. Great car. Elantra's been one of our best sellers for years now. Fuel efficient, 4-cylinder, lots of value on the inside. Body overall is in very nice shape for 2012. The odd scratch or scuff here or there, but that's to be expected on a car of this age. It's got 60/40 rear folding seats. There you go. This can fold up as well. Cloth's in decent shape. Couple stains here and there. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. There you go, power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Adjustable driver's seat. Like I said, the seats have a couple stains here or there, but you know what? I've got a surprise that's gonna make up for that. Does it have a remote starter? It does. But that's not even the best part. 64,000 kilometers on a 2012, 64,000 kilometers. We sold it. It's got active eco, you got traction control, which you can turn off. 64,000 kilometers, all your volume controls, mode controls, Bluetooth hands-free calling on the steering wheel, trip odometers right there, cruise controls right here, easy to use. But that's not it, there's more. You got your auxiliaries down there and some storage. Heated seats on both sides. Check that out. Easy to use, functionable. Infotainment center, easy to use again. AM, FM, XM capabilities, Bluetooth, got everything you need. Let's circle back. 64,000 kilometers, new tires, new brakes. We threw some alloy wheels on there to make it look a little sharper than normal. Usually these cars come with hubcaps. So again, don't miss out. Shop 24/7. Hyundai.com for deals on 2012 Elantra and many other vehicles.